Let's start. The project name is a floating action button. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity. In the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have 3 floating buttons. One is the normal button, one is a mini button, and one is the extended floating action button. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the default floating action button. This is the mini floating action button. The fab size attribute is set to mini. And this is the extended floating action button. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members of the class. Here we have set the on-click listeners of all 3 buttons. When the button is clicked, we show a toast. Initially, we keep the extended floating action button in the shrinked or the default mode. And when the button is clicked, we either extend it or shrink it accordingly. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a floating action button in Java Android. Thanks for watching.